Did you know that your brain controls hunger and energy use? In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 principles to take care of your brain for a healthy, nutritious Ramadan. And keep watching till the end because I have 2 yummy bonuses to share with you. Let's dive in! Principle 1. Create a sustainable nutrition system. So my foundation is the bulletproof diet. So choose a foundation, a diet that has, a varied and a very complete set of nutrition rules and, advices. So for me, the bulletproof diet does it. It's basically a low carb, high fat, diet. You personalize it. It's not, put on stone. Everyone needs to really personalize it. It's a lot of vegetables, a lot of, high quality fat. So we're all guilty to not have in our plate enough green vegetables. And for the veggies, well, basically they need to be at least half of your plate. So one thing to keep in mind is boost your amount of veggies. You cannot go wrong with that. Healthy fats are grass-fed butter, avocado oil, avocados, also olive oil, coconut oil, all the fishes, and grass-fed meat. If you can find grass-fed meats, that's the best quality. So these are for the nutrition system. Go for affordable, simple, not complex, sustainable, and practical for you to implement in your daily life. And the goal is to be at a place where you don't think about food that much during the day. So how do I do it? I have a simple system. I just take a piece of paper. I did it like last year, and I have 3 columns. So in the first column is the healthy food that I got from the Bulletproof Diet Guide. And then in the middle, I have the food that I like. And third column is basically the unhealthy, super unhealthy food, but that I still eat. So the goal here is to have, all these foods and take a look at it. And of course, the most of your daily nutrition food should come from the first column. The second column is something that you like. It's good for your emotional, for your mental state. Keep some of it. And of course, keep the healthier one than the unhealthier one. The unhealthier one should be really, a minimum, like less than 10% of your nutrition. So you have it. This is my system. Create yours. You can take this one, but it works. Principle 2, mindful eating. Mindful eating completely changed my life when I learned about it last year through my coach training. So thank you, Dr. Mark, for this. Because I had a food addiction for sure, and I was binge eating a lot, and it came from my emotions. Every time that I felt stressed, I was binge eating. I'm not doing it anymore, and I'm so happy for that. And it's because of mindful eating. Mindful eating is about understanding your body's signal. So basically, you just slow down, enjoy the plate. How it looks, the colors, enjoy the smell. Take the time to smell your food, and then also when you taste it, take time to enjoy all the flavors. Slowing down and mindful eating are one of the best methods, I think, for me to find a sustainable nutrition system and to implement it every day. So I'm really happy from where I am. So do the mindful eating, so important. Slow down. If you need more information, I'm going to share with you also a video about this. And the third principle, you're gonna nurture your brain by improving other factors that actually influence your hunger, your energy levels, and your overall health. So I'm sharing 3 with you today. So the first one is your physical activity. So your physical activity, be careful, limit the intensity compared to every day that we are in Ramadan, because you want to go away from dehydration, right? So for me, I focus on mobility. I do a lot of stretching and also yoga, soft yoga. The second point is sleep. I know that it's so hard to have a good night's sleep during Ramadan because first of all, people want to stay awake to pray, for example, or they stay for tafsir and they wake up also for suhoor really early. So you can't really have a good night's sleep during Ramadan. What you can do is taking naps during the day to really fulfill those missing hours, and it's gonna give you a boost of energy like never. It has been proven, you know, by science more and more, the power of napping. And the third one is try to reduce stress. We have family, we are in lockdown, so we can have stressful, you know, panic attack or like stressful episodes, emotional stress, physical stress. Try to really listen to your body and reduce them as much as possible. And Ramadan is really, really perfect for that. You know, focusing on your faith and taking things slowly will definitely help you do that. And we are getting to our bonus. So I have 2 super recipes that my friend Haifa just shared with me. She's an amazing cook and she's doing, you know, vegan recipes. The first one is the cauliflower salad and the second one is the vegan samosa. So good, so healthy, so easy to make. Go check out the recipes in the description box, and I'm also gonna put Haifa's IG account so you can follow her and have all the yummy recipes. So here we are. This was my video on eating healthy during Ramadan. So if you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, and also leave me in a comment down below any topic that you want me to discuss in this video series, The Modern Muslim Woman. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. To the next video, get focused, get clarity, and get started to live your best life. Bye.